Hey there, I'm Joe Carter. If you've ever popped the hood and thought, where do I even start? You're in good company. Around here, we take the mystery out of car repair, one fix at a time. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to sharpen your skills, there's something here for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you're into learning without the headaches. All right, that's enough from me. Let's get into it.
Ceramic sealant for car exhaust system usually has the following composition: sodium silicate, clay, fiberglass and metal filings. It can be used for both installation and repair of the exhaust. The purpose of the exhaust system of the car: diverting combustion products from the engine, eliminating their entry into the car. Interior: reducing exhaust noise, reducing toxicity of exhaust gases. Means for repairing the exhaust system are divided into two types: high-temperature putties for sealing joints and plugging small holes, bands and tapes made of fiberglass cloth impregnated with heat-resistant adhesives for repairing large areas of damage to any elements of the system. Composition of the exhaust system. Exhaust manifold. Diverts exhaust gas streams from each cylinder and combines them into two or one, depending on the design. The intake pipe combines the exhaust streams after the manifold into one. Catalyst. Reduces exhaust toxicity by catalytically oxidizing CO to CO resonator. The first step in reducing exhaust noise. 2. Silencer. Second stage of exhaust noise reduction. After the catalytic converter in injector engines is usually put oxygen sensor, so-called probe. Therefore, if there is a significant leak in the exhaust system before the catalytic converter, it is fraught with incorrect operation of the engine, as the probe will give readings that do not correspond to reality. In the exhaust system of a diesel engine there is also a particulate filter. In turbocharged engines, a turbine impeller housing is placed between the exhaust manifold and the intake pipe. Operating temperatures: the components of this system operate at high temperatures. The exhaust manifold of a gasoline engine is the most heated of all. Its temperature reaches plus 1300 OC. The other components operate at temperatures from plus 1000 to plus 250 OC, which is well below the melting point of the adhesive base. Sodium silicate, well known as liquid glass, melts at a temperature of plus 1088 OC. Hence we can conclude that the thermal resistance of such sealants is quite good. The exhaust gases of diesel engines have a lower temperature than that of gasoline engines. Therefore, such sealants are all the more suitable for diesel engines. Sodium silicate is so non-flammable that it is used to impregnate theater sets to prevent them from igniting. Installation: during the installation of the exhaust system of the car, good tightness of the connection is achieved by using muffler sealant in flange joints together with old gaskets, and sometimes without them. In any case, the thickness of the sealant layer should be less than 3 mm. If the exhaust system connection is not flanged, it is necessary to lubricate the muffler sealant on the end of the pipe and, inserting it into the other, secure it with a clamp. Repair. It is better to repair the exhaust pipe of a car using a clamp made of 0.8 mm thick steel. This thickness of metal is used for non-bearing parts of the body of most passenger cars. It, as well as the damaged place, should be cleaned well. Apply muffler sealant to the damage, put on top of the clamp and tighten it. Such repair of the exhaust system, of course, will not make it better than a new one, but for some time it will normally perform its functions. If you need to repair a transverse crack or other defect that violates its rigidity, it is better to use thermal tape, as it is glued to a large area and gives the restored additional strength. In the case of gluing a crack at the junction of the tank and pipe, you need to take additional measures to strengthen this place. Otherwise everything will fall apart at the first bump. Reviews: according to motorists who use ceramic sealing agents for exhaust systems, they are certainly very good, especially for sealing the joints. An additional plus when using them is easy disconnection of the system elements during the next repair. According to the advice of craftsmen, if you have liquid glass and fiberglass in your garage, the sealant can be made yourself. Grind fiberglass, mix well with liquid glass, and high-temperature sealant for the exhaust system is ready. If there is no fiberglass, you can use crushed chalk as a filler. Weld or sealant. Do not think that repair with adhesives can compete in strength and durability with welding. Of course, welding is stronger and more durable. One of the few cases where a sealant would be preferable would be severe temperature deformation of the connecting flanges, as the use of a sealant preserves the ability to disassemble the connection later, and will provide a better seal than a gasket alone. In other cases, sealants are used as a temporary measure, allowing to postpone the moment of a trip to the car service. Another definite advantage of sealants over welding is the much lower cost. Vital advice particularly important is the tightness of the part of the exhaust system located in the engine compartment of the car. Because from the engine compartment, exhaust gases easily enter the air inlet box, from where the passenger compartment heater fan takes air. If this part of the exhaust system is leaky, there is a danger of getting burned on the move. If you smell exhaust fumes in the cabin, first check the tightness of the system in the engine compartment. Just some helpful hints. Do not confuse ceramic and silicone sealant, they are completely different products. Silicone on the exhaust pipe will burn off without residue. In conclusion, a reliable car exhaust system repair sealant can be a game-changer for maintaining your vehicle's performance and longevity. By addressing leaks promptly, you not only enhance fuel efficiency but also contribute to a cleaner environment. Remember to choose a sealant that suits your specific needs and follow the application instructions carefully for the best results. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can save you time and money in the long run. Thank you for watching, and drive safely.